Hi, everybody. What is up, dreamers and believers? Happy Thanksgiving. It's your boy Jeremiah Molina, and I am here, as you can tell by this elephant, here in the Bay Area for Thanksgiving, visiting some family. Look, we got W here, we got AJ, we got Tita Bell. Hi, Tita Bell.
Hey.
Right now, we're about to go watch Ralph Wrecks the Internet. Give you guys a review of that.
It's Ralph Wrecks.
It should have been called Ralph Wrecks the Internet, honestly.
You're not wrong.
Gonna give you guys a review of that after we watch it, and then we're gonna go see the rest of the family. We've already been preparing since last night for Thanksgiving dinner. Have a ton of food. My dad is making the prime rib roast, I think it's what it's called. Something like that. We got pie, we got salad, I think. We just got a whole bunch of stuff, but that comes in later. Including turkey. There we go. We just got out of the movie, and as always, great Disney movie. Whole range of emotions. Like, I don't know where to start exactly, but a ton of pop culture references. And just one little spoiler, there is a Stan Lee cameo, which is amazing that they even included that. What was your favorite part of the movie? Remember, no spoilers. You don't know? What about you, Tita Bell? Who's your favorite character?
Moana.
Oh yeah, all the Disney princesses were in there. And trust me, they're not just a glorified cameo. They actually do stuff, and it's awesome. What about you, AJ?
Yes.
Yes, who?
Yes.
Oh yeah, yes. Yeah, she's my favorite character too. Taraji P. Henson is dope.
You're not wrong.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Which
It's dry and it's not.
there's a little ramen going in the kitchen.
Crusty on top.
Hello, David. You gotta follow it. Mama in the kitchen. Mama's vlogging too. Hey, Mama.
Hi, baby.
There it is.
Hi.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah, shucks.
Hey, Jay.
Hello, Lisa.
How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. Hello, Ronald. Dad's working on the gravy. Nice, nice.
Do you have any chives? I have peanut.
Notice how everybody is working over here?
So no chives.
Look at the queen of the house. Queen of the house. Lounging. Everybody does your bidding. Hello, Mama.
Lounging. I know. I sing the knee.
Oh, okay.
I sing the knee.
It's okay. You have your all your servants over here. You have all your servants over there working for you.
Oh, it takes a village.
It takes a village. Oh, there we go.
It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the well side.
Yep.
Nice. Here, split with Jimmo.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You can get full off that.
Yeah? Yeah?
Woo! I'll try some of that guacamole.
I love you, Jane.
Love you, love mouth.
Hi, Kianoli. You're gonna edit a lot of this, right?
Alright, you guys, we're still cutting up the meat right here. So far, the reviews, the pre-dinner reviews have been pretty good. We got Lola Ramo, Lola David in the kitchen saying that it was pretty good. They tried it. Had Tita Bell try it.
Cooked perfectly.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. I guess the only thing better that my dad made that's perfect other than this was me. My mom left. Yeah. Let me try to catch him. Here goes. By yourself.
Are you playing?
4-4. I need that, right? 4-5.
Hey guys, we're here with my brothers.
It's done.
Lola Mel, Lola David's up front,
Oh,
and it's still raining outside. If you guys can see the raindrops on the window. And today is Black Friday, so because today's Black Friday, we decided to give Lola Mel, Lola David a break, so they don't have to take care of dinner tonight. So instead, we're going over to Lola Lisa's for dinner, where there should be more family, which we all know that's always fun, right? Right?
Black Friday.
There's Lola Lisa. Hi. We did it. Hi, everybody. Hey.
Hi.
Hey, guys. What's up? Hey, everybody.
West Side.
I'm with you guys.
Heart good.
I'm out, bro.
I know, I was like,
Ass has expired.
All right, you guys. Now that we have dinner already, we have desserts. Check it out.
well, what
Yeah.
was good is root beer float.
That's
That's
a root
what's
beer
good.
float. Meanwhile, I'm sitting here with a s'more, with a cookie s'more. I shoved a bit of chocolate because like a piece of chocolate or a piece of cookie fell off, so I need to fill that hole. But we're gonna be on such a high sugar rush right now. Hey.
I don't know, I was just kidding.
Oh, come
I was just kidding. I don't know how to play it.
Come on.
It was just a joke. What the heck? You couldn't. Honestly, I don't really know how to play and sing piano.
All right, you guys. That
Don't trip
was
on
our
the stick. Oh my
crazy
God, you almost tripped.
Thanksgiving family reunion dinner thing. Got our cousin over here. We're heading out though, so back to the OC from the Bay Area. Hang on, let me turn the. Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye. You guys, if you like this video, please.
Like and subscribe.
And as always,
Keep dreaming, keep believing. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
peace out, guys.
Whoa.